Yes, thank you. First of all, thanks for inviting amateurs, astronomers. As a response, welcome in the world of the amateur. So we will discover our point of view, our problem, our understanding, and in this case, excuse my French. Well, WIVONA is a pro-am project supported by Observatory de Paris. It's a virtual observatory interfaces from two stars software for amateurs, PRISM and SharpCap. The team, it's an atypical pro-am project because we have one amateur and 3 professionals. So for the moment, it's a close one. So I'm the PI, and I develop with PRISM. Renaud Sabal is the professional from the PADC. So it's the expert in the virtual observatory. Cyril Calvador is a former amateur, but now he drives a company who sells direct drive mounts for organization who wants the speed response telescope for transients. So he has contact with the market, he knows the needs of the market. And David Valscabo is the third one as professional in the team, and it's the supervisor of the actions. Very quickly, we do not speak about the virtual observatory. You all know what is it. We do not speak about the SAM protocol because it's too technical, but okay. And see alert monitoring. Okay, virtual observatory. So that's our point of view as amateur. It's in the cloud. There is a lot of files, all the files about astronomy. Professional have access with tools like TopCat, Aladdin, Cassis, and these tools can exchange between them with the hub SAM. Okay. Well, amateurs have Carte du Ciel, Au-delà, SharpCap, and PRISM, and other ones who have access to SAM. We are implementing the SAM in PRISM. Okay, that's the basis. And we discover that transients were an interesting topics for amateurs. And we choose Astro-COLIBRI for collaborations. Bon, transients, elusive phenomena, etc. You know all of this. An alert monitor, you know what it is. Our request, yes, we want this outside of PRISM. We don't want to rewrite this. We want to, so the alert monitor listen to brokers and deliver service. We wanted video events, but we accept JSON files. So Astro-COLIBRI win the challenge, and communication with SAM perhaps one day. So at the time it's HTTP JSON API of Astro-COLIBRI. One more time, the data flow to Astro-COLIBRI. What is important for us is what we call taggers, that are professionals who put tags saying this is important for us to have return for amateurs to get your pictures and your data, your spectral, spectrums. Okay, so RAPAS will be presented by Thierry, and we hope that sometimes we could send data to the HTOM or things like this. So we have the API, and we go to PRISM at the end. Okay. Compliance with existing documented API in Colibri. It's fine. Filters are tuned on Astro-COLIBRI side. We did not want it to have our collection of filters on our side. And okay, so when we send a request, we are registered with Astro-COLIBRI. Astro-COLIBRI memorizes, for example, in my case, all my registration filters, and I work like this. Minimal GUI on the PRISM side, full integration in PRISM GUI. We try to have a two-click pointing to the target. Ready for VO support, okay, and support of community request. We support the RAPAS tag. In the left, when you choose the menu tool, you ask Astro-COLIBRI. We do not want to start the web server, but we want to obtain the latest transient. Okay, we got the transient here. They are on this form. This is on the sky map. When the amateur uses PRISM, he clicks on the stars and the telescope moves to this point. So we receive all the information in the right places, and we can ask to move the telescope to the selected point. Okay, our first light was on the GRB. I was not at the command, but an amateur team who got the beta testing version of PRISM could download the data. They didn't have to re-enter rate ascension and declination. They just had to click, and they put a message on Astro-COLIBRI blog saying, "Oh, PRISM is so nice with its new interface with Astro-COLIBRI." So that was the first slide. The message is here, and Thierry will report. I think there was other teams, so we are not sure that they use PRISM, but they make a demonstration at the same time of the first use. We plan to have, that's the roadmap, observation of large region and to use times. Project status. The project is partially funded by Observatory Paris, and as we are amateur, we are not funded, no retribution. That will be open source, and we will have, because PRISM is not open source, but the part concerning Astro-COLIBRI and the SAMP will be open source on GitHub. Beta testing is in progress, and presentation is planned from LCE, which is the big amateur meeting in France in November. Okay, beta tester, Cyril Cavador, Renaud Saval, and other ones. That's all for that. Now, if I have 3 minutes or 4 minutes, I can do a little presentation, a little demonstration. This is Aladdin. Okay, you all know what Aladdin is and what it can do. Okay, so Aladdin will be in the background, and I will use PRISM. Well, PRISM is here. You can see here that PRISM is connected to the sample provided by Aladdin. Okay. I will make my two-click request. Yes. This. Well, tools. Astro-COLIBRI. Et obtenir les derniers chansons. Last chanson. So I send this. Now my request is gone with my API, and I will get the result, I hope, but yes. Now I'm with the, I limited my needs to supernova and well, yes. Well, now if I click on, I didn't tell you that I was connected to a virtual telescope. Okay. I will click on this event because déplacer le télescope sur ce point. Okay. We can see that the telescope is moving. A few seconds, it will be on the point. Yes, now it's coming. Sorry, it's not a direct drive one, but it's still able to join the point. Well, I'm on the point. I don't know how to zoom, but it's not really a problem. Now I will ask to envoyer alpha delta per sample. Donc je vais envoyer. I hope I will succeed to click. Yes. And if the demo is right, image has changed. Okay. So now, if I want to make a cone search, I do not want to make the cone search in PRISM. It's the business of Aladdin. Just like if I say Aladdin, no, it's not the topic today, I will go to M31. Okay, define M31, and if everything works, I should move my telescope to M31. Okay, nothing is perfect. It's the presentation, so it should have worked, but you know what it was.
I think it rotates. No? I think it rotates.
It rotates, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So it's very good connection with that one. Okay, well.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, let's thank you.